In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit HubSpot theme global fonts. Whether you're managing your website's aesthetics or simply looking to maintain brand consistency, knowing how to alter global fonts in HubSpot is essential. So let's dive in and get started on this journey toward crafting the perfect look for your site. First things first, head over to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by simply typing hubspot.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, your next step is to find and click on the login button. This will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. Logging in is a breeze, but if you face any issues, double check to ensure your credentials are correct and try again. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From here, look for the content option and give it a click. This will lead you to the section where you manage your website content, which is exactly where we need to be for editing our theme fonts. Once in the content section, move on over to website pages by clicking on it. This will allow you to see all the pages currently part of your website. Your task now is to select a page you want to work on. Just click on any page you wish to edit, perhaps start with a page you're most familiar with, or one that gets the most traffic. Next, after selecting your desired page, hit the edit button. Doing this will open up the page editor, where all the magic happens. Once you are in this editor, look for the Theme Elevate option. It's important because the styles you set here will apply universally across your site, making it an essential step in ensuring a cohesive look. As you click on Theme Elevate, you'll see various options to tweak your theme settings. Focus your attention on fonts, as this is where you can make changes to your global font settings. Clicking on Fonts unfolds different font options, allowing you to select the fonts that best represent your brand. Here you can mix and match fonts, experiment with different styles, and see what looks best for your brand identity. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the settings to update your HubSpot theme's global fonts. Remember, a well-chosen font not only enhances readability, but also adds to the overall feel of your website. So take the time to find the right one. With these small tweaks, your site will resonate more with your audience, keeping it both engaging and professional. Enjoy your editing, and I hope this tutorial has made the process that much simpler for you. See you in the next video.